Hi, my name is Vitaly. I am the creator of Time++ Money, and now I'll try to give you some additional information about my app. Let's say I'm from China. I create a user, enter to the account, and I can see not a very good translation to Chinese. So what can I do? I can tap the back button, go to language menu, and to switch to English, for example. Now I have to restart my app. I'm very sorry, I can translate my app to Chinese because it's very expensive for me. I'm a little developer. So now, after I change to English, if I enter my account, I can see the English text. And now I have to enter this big button at the top. And here I have to set my schedule and my salary. Tap at the top. Change to any schedule you wish. Well, I live the standard business week, 5 days work, 2 days rest, right? I'll set that my work day length is 9 hours and my salary is 10,400 yuan. Now I can see my hour costs. It's 5503. I tap ready. Go to time monitor, it's the main work screen of the app, and here I can see some calculations. If I tap here 5503, I can see that this is a simple money converter to my work time. It converts money to my own work time. If I'll tap 110.06, I can see 2 hours. Why is it fun? Why is it interesting? Why is it good? Because if I go to store and buy clothes, for example 211, right? I can see that I need to work 3 hours 50 minutes 4 seconds to buy this clothes. For example, it's t-shirt or pants or sweater or a hat, right? I can tap the smiling button, tap the category, and then when I enter the spend, I can see my expenses in this month, not only with the money I spent, but with the time I had to work to buy clothes, food, well, anything, right? So why is it interesting and funny for me? Because I have a cat, I have to buy food for a cat, and well, I was very interested. Do I spend a lot for my cat or it's not a lot? So when I create this app and calculate how many time I work for my cat, well, I was very terrified because it's really a lot, right? So this is the main purpose of the app, to keep your personal finances not only using the money, but using your working time. So there is the two things I want to show you now. The first thing is currency. If you enter the main menu, it's back button or this big button, right? You can go to currency, turn on currency support, and the first thing you have to do here is to identify basic. Just in identify basic set your national currency here, and well, for example, you bought today euro, right? You need to tap this button, set how many money you gave in bank and how many euro you received. 117. Alright, exchange, and now you can see the euro course, your personal euro course, the euro course that you exchange, right? Well, I set it to X position, tap back, go to the time monitor and tap view and set to this string, well, the X position. Now I can see not only my working time, but also the foreign currency with my own course, with that exchange course that I had exchanged in the bank. Now, the second and the last thing I want to show you is why, if you tap here, for example, 45,000, why the red and the orange time is different. Well, if you didn't saw, I tap here 45,000 yuans. Why is that different? Because the orange time shows now how many time I need to live, to work, to sleep, to rest, to have vacations, holidays, to get 45,000 yuan without any spending, right? And the red time shows me how many time during this 4 months I will spend at my work. This means, well, for example, 10, 400, right? And view gray. What does it mean? Look at this. I set my month salary. The orange time show me 1 month. The purple, gray time show me 21 days. If I tap the main work, here I can see my working days, right? In this month I work 21 days, or I decrease it, it will be 18, right? Tap ready and see that orange time didn't change 1 month. Purple time, gray time changed 18 days, and red time, well, it changed too. What does it mean? It means 1 month of my life with sleep, with rest, with work, with holidays. This time shows me the working days without holidays, just morning, work day, evening, night, sleep, right? And red time shows me the time that I spent in my office, or at my plant, or at my workplace. So to understand the difference between different colors, right, you tap view, you choose some position, and here at the question button you can read. So I hope, I'm sorry for my not perfect English. I hope that you visit the website. You can visit it right even at the at your smartphone. There you can find some additional information about my app, and I hope this video helps you to understand well, at least something. This program will be updated, I think, if I have a time for this, and well, have a good time. Thank you for your question.